welcome back to my channel Racing Graven. Today we are playing some more Fortnite. So let's hop into one game. Today I am gonna show you this new mode. It is a comedy creation, but I really like it, so I wanted to show you guys. Freaky Flights Air Royal. So let's hop into it. So let's start. And I got the level 130 Chromium Brass. I grinded really hard there. Now I wanted to go level 150 for Chromium Spire Assassin. So I think the game is starting soon. Let's go. The game is starting. This is my favorite background for the new season. So I am using this. And I wanted to show one more thing, but I will show you later. This is community creation, so we need to wait for 70 seconds. So I will call you when the game starts. So guys, the game is started. Let's go. We can buy one free weapon from here, and I will buy the tack because I like tack in this mode only. So let's go above and go to the other team bases by flying. You will see me first time flying a plane, I think so, in my video. Whoa. Let's go. My person also sat. See how good I fly the plane. First, actually, don't go there. First, we will go to the boat. Once we will go to the boat. Jump. I am seeing that I wanted to see. There is a llama here which we can get, but I don't see it. Ah shit. Right, so how do I go back? You will think, how do I go back to my base or their base? By this. I mean by dying in the water. If we touch water, we die. And I don't want to pick up this gun, and my game automatically pick up gun. Now let's go to their base. Oh, someone is hitting me, and I am stuck here, and I am dead. And he sat in my plane. I'm a noob, guys, so don't see the things by my gameplay. You see, I'm to a bot place. I should put my channel name Raven the Bot. Is that good, guys? And I got a kill. Let's go. These are the pump ones. My kill. You took my kill, so I took your kill. Lol. I need some meal, so I need to go back. I will take some minis. Let's drink it. And this I will take. Let's go. I hope it heals me something. Yeah, it healed me something. Let's go. Oof. Our team is losing. We are which team? Let me check. Which team are we? Team Red. Yeah, we are losing by half a point. We are losing to. They have double the points from us, kind of. Now I need to wait just for a minute. Let's go. I'm the best plane. I'm the best plane. What we say that? Pilot. Yeah, I'm the best pilot. As you can see that I am the. Please don't kill me in air. I would be really sad if he would kill me in the air. How we get this world? Open the world. You will find the llama on the little boat, And I went to the little boat, but I didn't even found it. I will go to the weakest plane that you can see. This is the weakest plane here. So let's go. What should I do? I can't turn. This plane is stuck. Never mind. And he broke the plane too. I'm going in this one. See now. See now I'm to driver. That plane was actually stuck, guys. Let's try to. Let's hope that this hits. No, 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 no. Oof. I'm safe. He was one shot. Guys, I'm a bot. Guys, we will play this mode just for 5 minutes more. Then we will play a solo match and show you how good I am. There is no plane in solo, but there were plane in like the normal mode when the winter was going on, the Christmas time. The plane were there, but now they are not. They are removed again. They come every like winter time. And the planes is my favorite vehicle, and because they are really fast. I killed him. Magic that I killed a person. Yay, I have 130 coins. I want to buy something. The airstrike or two, like let's buy some grenades. Idea, let's kind of do airstrike. This would be kind of airstrike. Let's try it, but will my airstrike work? Without hitting, guys. Cross the ship without hitting, guys. Do I see someone? I think the grenade will blast. Till that time. No. Sit on the seat. Sit on the driver's seat. Oh. That was close one. Let's try to kill. Idea, let's hijack them. Ooh. I really want to kill that person. I killed them both, but I don't have a plane right here. Please help me. Let's go, I'm too good. I need help. Let's cry a bit so anybody come. Somebody's coming right towards me. I killed him in the air. Why you left the plane? He left the plane. Why? I'm trying to find the llama, by the way. Let's find the llama. Where is the llama? What I should do? What is happening? Airstrike going on everywhere. What should I do now? Somebody up. Level up. Let's go. Closer to the Chromium's power assassin. Let's try to attempt and once in the air. Ooh, you are nice. You are a good player. I have this skin, by the way. I will show you. I think I showed you in the last Fortnite video. Tell me how you like this skin. I will show you all the full combo after this game. And let's actually leave the game right now and go to let's play some solo, one game solo. Let's leave it. I will show you the Neymar Junior skin. My favorite skin, kind of. My favorite secret skin. I have two favorite secret skins: Predator and the Neymar Junior. See, this is I use this set in the Neymar Junior. Let me take his back bling too. Do you like this set's back bling? It has two style. This and this. Which one you I like second, this trophy back bling on the second style and this on the Neymar original player. But I sometimes never choose the back bling on them, but I will choose for now. This is its second style, built-in emote, and I like this a lot with the second back bling. It's pickaxe, the coolest, and it has two style. I haven't unlocked this till yet. I need to do 60 epic quest for this. The whole when I will get other style of Neymar Junior to this one. It is cool, I know. So let's hop into a solo game using this skin. Solo. I know these two modes, but they are squad, so I don't want to play them. So let's go to solo. Let us dance. This is not actually dance. I've closed all the song and the shooting voice because I don't wanted to close the shooting voice, but I closed it for now because no copyrights, I closed the other voices, but today I closed the shooting voice too. This is the Predator, that loading screen. This is the Predator skin. Predator is built-in emote to take the mask off too. I will use this style only. I will not use the built-in mode, but just for the sake. Let's go to normal style again. The trailer is cool too, the Predator's trailer, and overall this skin is a dope. This is my second favorite footballer, CR7 forever in the first. And let's land at Weeping Wood. I told you in the last video how it is the best spot. And actually some people only land here. That's why it is one more reason to be the best spot. And loot, and it is far too, so nobody will land here hopefully. So I don't want to fight people because I am bad. I'm trying to get better in this game Fortnite, and I am actually getting better day by day. Let's open our glider. And guys, comment down below, do you like primal weapons more or the mechanical weapons? I want to know your suggestion. Primal OP in the chat or mechanical OP. You can use hashtag too. Hashtag primal, hashtag mechanical. You can use. Just tell me. That I skip the chest, but I will go there. Let's take this pump. The bunker chest is there. Let's go. RPG. Nice weapon, and there is a person right here. Let's go and kill him first. Let's use this to find him. Where is he? I can't see him. I think he's at top. I can't see. Where is he? He is hiding somewhere. I think I know that. I know where is he. I killed him. Let's go. I don't want to show. I think I have an idea. Let's take the shockwave once. I will show you a flying car or flying boats after some time. But first we will take out the two bosses. First the mini spire and the Gutom at the Durburger's house. So, oh, why I'm showing the medkit? I will leave this many. I really want to show the flying boat or the car, whatever you want to show. I will not waste this shockwave to show you. If I don't know if I will mess this up or not. Ooh, who is shooting me? Dinosaur, no. Ooh. What is the... What? What? How is... Kill him, Dino, you can do this. How he is right here today? She, actually. I just killed him. I killed him. He took half my shield. She. Why I always say he. And my battery of the phone is low. So we need to finish the lobby fast and furious. I am a pro, I can do it. Just joking, don't take that serious. By the way, let's go and kill him. Let's see first he is there or not. Oh, two people are here. No way. I hope he hasn't hired him. He hired him, so I can't get the pump. You can't go. You can't run, bruh. You can't actually. Lol. He was one shot by my AR. Off. GG. So guys, I think that's enough for today. So see you guys in next video. So bye.